Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sky Broadband router. First, gather all necessary components: your Sky Hub, its power cable, the broadband cable, and any microfilters. Ensure your phone line is active and ready for service. This preparation ensures a smooth setup process, getting you online quickly and efficiently. Let's get started with the physical connections. Next, connect the broadband cable from your wall socket via the microfilter directly into the broadband port on the back of your Sky router. Then, plug the power cable into the router and an electrical outlet. Once everything is securely connected, switch on the power at the wall. This sequence ensures proper signal flow and power delivery to your new hub. After powering on, your router will begin to initialize. You'll need to wait for the internet light on the front of the Sky Hub to turn solid green, indicating a successful connection. This can sometimes take up to 15 minutes, so please be patient. Once the light is green, you can connect your devices wirelessly using the Wi-Fi details or via an Ethernet cable. If you encounter any issues, first double-check all your cable connections to ensure they are secure. A simple restart of your router can often resolve minor problems. If the internet light remains off, contact Sky Support for further assistance. Remember to check the description below for links to helpful resources and other great deals, like staying hydrated with an O-Ala water bottle. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.